So let's now display the images. So the first thing we need to do, let's go back to the index. So here we have, so we loop through each photo, but I think that we did not add the TR. So let's add TR here. And inside we have the TD. So let's save, refresh now. And as you can see now we have two images. So let's add preview. So the preview will be an image with the src, and let's give it the, so not this one but just copy, and let's give it photo URL and alt. Let's give it just photo, and here let's change this one to the width is 60 and height is 60. Also we need what else we need? So we need the body and the price, but we need to check for the price. So if, so not this one but this one, so if the, so let's bring this one from here. So if the price, so if we have a price, then, or not the price, but we check for is free. So the name of the field is if is free. So if the photo is free, then we display span with bg, or let's give it the class badge and bg primary and rounded fill, and the inline display inline inline, and here we display free. Else if the picture is not free, then we display, so let's give this one, copy it and paste it here. So here we change this one, so let's give it danger and display price. So let's bring this one and put it here and change this one to price. Now we have the price, so we need the created at. So let's bring the created at, and let's format the date to be diff for humans. Save and refresh the page, and as you can see we have the first one created as the price, but the image preview is not working. Let's add here a dollar sign beside the price. Let's refresh, take a look. Now as you can see we have the dollar sign, but the problem is that we don't have the image. So why it's not working? So the photo URL, so let's check, because we did not link storage, that's why. So let's go back to this, to the terminal, and call php artisan storage link. So that's why we don't have the images. So we need to store the, or to link the storage with the public folder so we can see the images. So now it's done. Let's go back and refresh the page here. And as you can see now we have the images. So let's add here, so let's give this image a class. And class will be img fluid rounded, refresh, and now it's better. So let's add the edit link. So let's go down here and add edit link. So we need link, and let's give it the class and not this one but this one, and class is btn sm and btn warning. And what else we need to add icon fast far edits, and we need the route. So the routes that will take us to, we have already defined the route, so let's go back to the routes and check what is the name of the routes. So what is the name of the route here for editing? So we have where is it? So here we have creates, what else? Store. We did not define the edit one, so let's do that now. So it's take us to the edit function, this one, and we have the edit form. So let's do that now. So let's change this one to a get, and we need here to edit, change it to edit, and we need to provide photo. So the photo will be a param, and also function is edit, and I think we need another one for the update, so it's the same. So here also we need to provide the photo ID, so let's do that now. So here let's change it to update, and this one will be a put method or put request, and let's change this one to update, and here updates, and here edits, and let's use this route so we can edit the photo, and we provide here photo ID as param. So let's refresh the page and take a look, and we have here the edit buttons. So once we click on one of these buttons, we are redirected to the edit form, but for now we don't have the edit form, so we will get an error. So let's do that now. Let's add edit form and update, or try to update an existing picture or an existing photo.